everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make another really easy dinner or supper. I've made this for years for my family. I don't know if you've ever tried the big bird's eye stir fry type vegetables that you get at the grocery store. I think the bag is like about a 3-pound bag, give or take. So what you do is, what we're going to do is kind of like a stir fry. Now, I don't have a wok or anything like that. It's not some kind of fancy, you know, whatever. It's a way for you to give your family, you know, like a Chinese type meal or an Asian type meal without, you know, going out to eat all the time or anything like that. It's going to be served over rice. So what you do is you go to the store and you pick up stew meat. It's in the meat department. You could probably, sorry about the ice maker. The ice maker's on. You could probably even just get any type of meat. Chicken breast chopped up into little cubes, or steak chopped up, or whatever. Stew meat, if you get stew meat, normally what I would do is, and that's what this is, I would take it, and they're really big chunks, so I normally would cut those down, because usually I would have a baby that would eat it, so I have to, you know, cut the meat even smaller than that. But you know, that's what I would do, is take those stew meat pieces, and it'll help it spread further. And for our family of 6 at the time, I would make the whole bag of vegetables. And this meat here, we're putting extra meat in it this time. We only have 5 in the family now because our daughter is married now. But this is about 3 pounds of meat. You don't have to use that much. You can use a pound. And it just depends on your ratio on how you want to do meat versus vegetables. So, like I said, take the stew meat, cut it into smaller pieces, or whatever meat you have, just kind of bite-sized pieces would be best. Put a little bit of oil in your pan, and basically saute it till it's done. That's what I'm doing here. And then, you can drain it when you're done, or you don't have to, because if you do drain it, you're going to lose what little bit of oil you've got in there, plus whatever the meat provided, because that meat is not lean. So you probably need to try to keep it in there. So that's what I'm going to do. The stir-fry vegetables come with a sauce. You can get an extra bottle of sauce in your Asian aisle of your grocery store. And I did pick a sauce, this sauce here. They have different ones. You know, when my children were young, this is spicy. Kung Pao sauce is very spicy. When my children were young, I would just use the pouches that come with the vegetables, and plus I would use like just a general stir fry or teriyaki sauce, or a sweet and sour or something. Probably not even a sweet and sour. Just stir fry sauce, period. Kiko Man makes just a general stir fry sauce. It's not, it's actually got a little bit of a sweetness to it, but it's not as sweet as a sweet and sour. Because I was trying to get them to eat their vegetables, and it was as a way, you know, to get them to do that. Okay. Now, I'll probably what I'm going to do is try to cook the vegetables down just a little bit, and then add them to this meat. So I'll see you back here in just a minute. Okay, so I've cooked all this meat, and in a separate pan, I cooked the vegetables. Now you can boil them, or steam them, or whatever you want to do. I kind of did a saute, simmery boil kind of thing, where I sauteed them a little bit, then I added a little bit of water, put a lid on, and kind of steamed them the rest of the way. So they're not completely done, I'm sure, which is fine. So I added it to the meat and the juices. The meat was not completely 100% done, because I'm going to cook it the rest of the way in this pan. Okay. Now, if it gets to this point, you can go ahead and add your sauces that came out of the packaging. Now, this is what they came out of. I mean, this is what they come in. They come in this little package of sauce. And it'll be frozen. And you take it and you put it in some hot water. The package, not the sauce. To de-thaw it. And then put the sauce into the package. Okay. And since we did all the vegetables, comes with 2 packets of sauce. So I'm going to do both packets. But that was never enough sauce for us, like I said earlier. So we're gonna put both these in, but then I'm gonna add some sauce. In my family, not all members of my family like spicy food. So I figured if I added this sauce, which is just a normal, you know, stir fry, whatever, that a little bit of the spicy, it wouldn't really matter. Oh, let me show you the package it came in. Meant to do that. So it comes like this. Now this one is Asian style. Now you do not have to get Asian style. You can get, oh, I can't think of the others. California mix and Normandy mix. I've used all those and did the exact same thing. It's a little bit different because the vegetable choices in it are different. So as you can see, that sauce did not cover everything. That's why you need the extra sauce. And you can add a little bit of soy sauce too, and maybe some sesame oil. Sesame oil, we'll be doing that too. Let me get that. Sesame oil gives it a very unique taste. And here's what it comes in. Just sesame seed oil. I keep it in my fridge because it can go rancid. Now this is not done cooking, like I said. We gotta get that broccoli done a little bit. So what I'm gonna do, see you in just a sec. Okay, y'all. Y'all will not believe what happened in between times, in between takes of this video. Power went out. And it came back on, thank God. So this is it. This is the rest of it. This is all of it. It's really, really pretty, colorful, and going to be really, really yummy. So let me plate some of this up so you can see it. Okay, so this is the finished product. You serve it over rice. You can also do it over rice cauliflower. It's really affordable, really good. See you next time.